In today's episode of OK Garage, we're going to try to put a plug in a tire in my command ride. We're probably going to end up dropping the spare tire and putting the spare tire down. You can hear it hissing out, and it takes about 15 minutes for it to go flat. I had to air it up 3 times on the way from a car accident that was 15-mile round trip up a canyon road, and somewhere the tire cracked along the way.
I found the crack, and whenever it stops like losing air and stuff, it gets to a point and it will go silent, and it stops like letting out enough air for us to feel it. So I found where the crack was, and then I put a little
She marked
chip
it.
on it because it's going to be hard to find it.
So, okay, wish us luck. Alright, so we'll gather tools. Air. Chalk the tire.
In my garage, lined up tight, trucks and horses side by side, rustic dreams under neon lights, nostalgia in every sight.
I prefer
Each truck a story,
jacking the tire up
each horse a friend.
get a little bit of the weight off of the lug
In
nut.
this
Still have
garage,
enough.
we're never
weight on there.
alone. With
To keep
trucks
the tire
and horses, I roam free. In this place, my heart's set free. Garage doors open, night or day. Memories stay, come what may. Under the stars, we roll around.
Jack it up.
Horses prance, trucks sound profound. In this space, time stands still. Every toy a part of me.
That's good right there.
You'll feel. Each truck a story, each horse a friend. In this garage, we're never alone. With trucks and horses, I roam free. In this place, my heart's set free. Garage doors open, night or day. Memories stay, come what may. With trucks and horses I roam free. In this place, my heart's set free. Garage doors open, night or day. Memories stay, come what may. With trucks and horses, I own reach. In this place, my heart's set free. Garage doors open, night or day.
It's right here.
Memories stay,
It's right here.
come what may.
Yeah. Like I was saying, if you put it on the ground, it'll kind of stop like that.
So Kayleigh found the crack in the tire. I think that's too big to that line right there. That's too big to plug. We're gonna try it anyway and see if we can.
Yeah.
So what we have is pistol grip true flat plug, and I borrowed this from my brother. We'll see what happens. Like I said, I don't think it's gonna work, but we'll see.
Wouldn't hurt to try. huge gap.
So first, you clean it out. And rough it up with that. And then here's the plug material. Doesn't have to fix it. It just needs to slow it down so it holds air for like an hour. That's my commute.
So you're gonna fill it up with air every hour?
If it gets me down the hill. All it has to do is get me to the tire shop to get a new set of tires. This is rubber cement. It's basically got glue.
It looks
It'll
like beef
lubricate.
jerky.
Oh, this is the plug we're gonna force into that. We're gonna put. This tube looks full, but it doesn't want to come out. Yeah. There is nothing in that. It's all air. No, wait, there's.
Okay, there.
I'm glad I didn't need this.
Yeah.
And now, the hard part,
Just
getting that in there.
I'm guessing it gets hard after a few minutes.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, because it's air soaked.
All right. If all else fails, read the directions. It says put 2 to 3 drops. That's funny. That's all that was in that tube. Work probe down to clean and buff. Apply cement. Grasp each end of the repair strip. Roll center. Strip needle eye. Okay. Apply. Turn handle a quarter turn to remove. Cut patch 1/8 inch from tread. For temporary emergency repair of tread only. All right. So I'm gonna cut those.
Are those your EMT scissors?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Are those the ones that can literally cut a penny in half?
Yes, they are.
That scares me. letting out air.
Yeah, it is. But not as fast. So let's air this up. We got 50 pounds in it. I'm gonna come back in an hour and check how much air is in there. If there's still a little bit, then I'll stick with that and it'll get me to the tire shop. Alright, so the moment of truth. It's been about an hour. There we go. And we've got 48 pounds, which is what we left it with. So it's holding air. I'll put the tire back on. I'm surprised we didn't have to put the spare down. So lucky day. All right, we're done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.